What do they do with GTRs? Like just play it on what like they don't have like a floating system like a on down, do they? It's a computer too, right?
Alright guys, so today's install video, we are doing the test pipes, or the downpipes as we call it, onto the GTR. So now we're going to ring it to the back garage and ring it on the lift and show you guys exactly how that comes on. We already did the intakes and it has that exhaust, so that's kind of where we're at with this. The next thing I want to do is lower it with some wheels maybe, but first things first. I'm so excited guys, I've been waiting so long to put these things on, but since it's such a pain to put on, you only trust so many people to do it. So since I have my boys right here right behind the shop that do all the mechanic stuff, I'm gonna have them whip it on, get it squared away. Alright guys, so behind the scenes, if you guys can't tell, this is what we're replacing. This is how it looks exactly under it. Clear that video up for you guys. We're gonna get a check engine light for sure because of the O2 sensor, unless I put a spacer, but I'm gonna tune it anyway, so it's not a real big deal. But that's exactly what we're removing, and we're replacing that with the M7 brand. This is exactly how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys that and here give you guys that startup. But I need to finish putting this piece next, replacing that, and then connect it to the exhaust. But other than that, we'll be good to go. Bam, so that is taken off and removed. Now we're gonna go ahead and get to the fun part. We have to get to those bolts right behind there and try to clear it up for you guys. That's what we have to finish removing. And get to those right there. Bam. So we have successfully removed them. You guys can see it sitting right behind. And side number 2 is right there. So make sure you guys hit us up for you guys' mechanic needs. Also, we can do this for you guys and get you guys taken care of. We're on it. Alright guys, so I just want to pause in the middle of the video to tell you guys that we are, I don't know why it's so bright outside, but we are working with our neighbor's shop. Obviously you guys can see the GTR right behind me, they're working on it, but we do work on now on the mechanic side. So if you guys need a clutch job, transmission job, head gaskets, timing belts, no matter the issue mechanic wise, we can get it done for you and you guys can finance it all together here with us. I don't know why the hell, dude, it's so bright. But nonetheless, you guys will get done by us here at the shop, right in the same circle. Your car won't leave the complex, it'll be done with us. And a bonus thing, if you guys need a tow because your car doesn't run obviously, we do offer tow service. So you can have one big bill, finance it with $0 or $39 down depending on what it is or what your car needs, but we can get all taken care of here. So bonus for you guys, hit us up for you guys' car parts and mechanic needs. Let's back into the video. For the HKS exhaust we put on the car, I never noticed how beautiful it really was until I looked under this. Side note, I mean, check out how beautiful that titanium thing is. That exhaust don't weigh nothing. Pretty nice, if you ask me. Here's a little side-by-side comparison of what we're doing here. Gonna pop that O2 sensor off, pop it back on. Even though it's gonna throw a check engine light, doesn't matter, but this is a little side-by-side view. Back to the video. So first side is installed. Check it out. Let me see, yeah. You know, that's the first side. Time to take off the second side, put that side on. I do need to get that last piece right there. That's my main one. I need to find that and put it on. But once I do that, it'll be completely set up. Out the exhaust. Alright guys, so now both of them are officially finished. You guys can see it right there. We're gonna pop onto the O2 sensors and then connect a regular white pipe back to it and then get ready for the first startup video of this, but they are officially on. Just like that guys, we are finished. This is a little under the car coverage. Bam. Now we're gonna get it off. First startup test. Alright guys, so we got the GTR, intakes, downpipe, and exhaust. Evo 10 unknown. Don't leave it as unknown. But it has everything, the 85, let you guys wonder. So basically we're on our way to Mexico, as everybody goes to. We're gonna find out and see how the GTR does, untuned and tuned on the 85 mixture, white against white. It's really clean. We still need to get the Evo 10. They are badass, so let's go ahead and get into some further runs tonight, and then hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the videos, and hit the sub button too, bring you guys some more content. So we had a third party just join and press the A button. What was it, 700, right?
Yeah.
700 horsepower Viper. So I know we're definitely gonna get smoked by him, so we're just gonna do our best to get some runs in. I love the blue. It reminds me of my OMO blue, but it's a very, very beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so basically at the end of the video we came to the conclusion that whoever got the better jump would win. Basically, what were you doing? You said you were having trouble doing what?
I was boost cutting whenever I tried to brake boost.
You're scared of blowing it up, huh?
No, I sent it. It didn't blow up. Dr. Boost Tune, so.
Dr. Boost Tune, so. We didn't blow up on that one. Definitely in the first race, you guys can see as we're speeding off, he definitely has that build up speed. What do you think happens just to after the transmission? You think it just runs out the top end or something?
The gearing on the Evo sucks, so up top they just fall off. They're better for like, you know, lower racing.
Yeah, because you were getting it pretty good. You're hanging, then it pulls up and then it just
falls off.
Damn it. So GTR, I guess you would say whoever has the better jump at that point, I'll let you guys decide. You guys can put your guys' opinions in the comments below on who you guys think won, who would really win, etc. We'll do it again after I place the actual, I went blank, the white pipe part into the exhaust because it's still stock under there. The resonator, I have one more resonator to remove. After I do that, I want to tune it up, but basically just the intakes, the test pipes, and the exhaust. So against a full bolt-on E85 Evo. So there you guys conclude it. Make sure you guys drop your guys' opinions at the bottom, who you guys believe won, etc. Thank you guys for joining today's video. Stay tuned for more.